This 2023 Jayco North Point 377 RLBH is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Milford, Delaware, 19963 and is offered for sale by Delmarva RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Jayco is 42 feet 11 inches in length and features sleeps 10, oven, refrigerator, smoke detector, air conditioning, stovetop burner, leveling jacks, skylight, spare tire kit, LP detector, external shower, and 75 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Jayco North Point 377 RLBH is 14,410 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.